This is a question we all ask ourselves whether we're in the beginning stage of a project or the end.
I've seen how people react to it, and it's very clear to me that this is something that people definitely want. And, ultimately, it's also down to your intuition. When you know something's worth doing, then it is.
Dude, when I fall in love with it, when I keep on thinking about it, when I have client work and my clients call me and they're like, Kareem, I need you to work on my client work. I don't need you to be working on whatever you're doing. It's like, if it starts eating up your other time in your day, unhealthily.
When people see something cool, they kind of want to capture the moment or share it with someone else. So if someone pulls their phone out and they kind of want to take a video of it and share it with their friends or family, that's how you know you are building something great.
Oh, when people get mad at me that it's not working. Yeah, I think that's the biggest thing. It's like, are they frustrated that it's not working for them today because they rely on it every day? Then you know you're making something great. You're making something people can't live without.
I feel like if someone tells me that they'll actually listen to it on repeat, like especially my dad, if my dad will actually listen to it, I feel like that it's something good.
And when you do great work, you get good feedback. If you get bad feedback, it's probably a sign that you made something shit.